Never surrender, maybe rise into the call for the glory and the fall, for the beat and the broken, for the lost and forsaken. Okay. Surrender. Let's go. There were no changes last time. Everything was committed to GitHub. Very good. I can start this script. Certified banger. Okay, let's continue with the weapon. Python, yes. Python game.py. There we go. Wait. It hits. Okay, it hits them twice, right? The damage is here. Let's do 0.1. Point 0.1 is still quite strong. 0.05. Let's see. It works. Oi. Not get too close. Oi. And yeah, this works. Yeah, it's just that I think the enemies should start increasing more quickly, because 1 minute right now isn't good, but that can be for another time. Breaking fate that we are waiting, we will rise into the call, rise into the call. Glory and the fall. Okay, key down events. Is that... I have to check LF, E, and the type. I still haven't moved this thing to the SSD. I should do this. Mouse button down, okay. That's what I want.
Hi, I'm not just a detective.
Wait. You're a bit louder, Maria. Oops, sorry. Okay, so this would be self.w. No, for weapon in self.w3, right? Yes. Weapon.shoot. It seems that you here with me. Spinning wacka 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 wacka. Tell me that she runs forever. Seems to see this mystery. What's solved immediately? How would I do this? Okay, let's first off open a new window. Let's see. In Python, can I make a definition within a definition or a function within a function? How would I do this? So it would be for this, but now here it would always but only here it rotates it. So when I press that key, I have to send a signal to here, which tells it that instead of rotating it, I need to advance these forward, which I can do for, that would be another loop. I can for vertex in self.vertices. How would I do this? How would I do this? Let's just call it, it's kind of copy from there. Moved X would be, so it keeps all the rotations from before. That's what the, no. Or because it would then this would have to be after here. Forward. Let me first make comment. For loop to move the vertices forward. For vertex in self.vertices. Moved x equal vertex 0. Wait, no, it would do it over at the movement over a certain time frame. So what it would have to be, I just had a solution. So I have to split it up in more functions. I don't make a function within a function, I split it into more functions. Which then also means... that it has to, right, so I have to split it into move, rotate, and move forward functions. Which means, or no, or just move functions. The thing is, oh right, I can with a timer you can decide which one you want to have. So if mouse button is pressed while weapon is active, it keeps current rotation, still moves with the player after the timer runs out. The normal movement is used again. Okay, then wait. I need to update self vertices in here. That is clear to me. Could I do it with a loop, or should I do it also with, or should I do it like this? Should do it with another loop. So let's copy this. There we go. Several things that I have to indent again. Else, wait. Like this and like this and this and this, correct? Should be. Okay, then the XK is just, I don't have to even define it there, I can just say here dxk equal 1 equal 1, whatever, that doesn't matter. This way doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. Dx equal 1 and dym equal 1. Let's also take this. It's just make it very, very simple. Because, yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna use dxk, so all I'm just gonna use k instead of m. So all of this just goes, and I just keep the k stuff. Yeah. Okay. And then for this, in approach 2, no. This and this, and at the end this. Direction indicate those are the defined. What? Okay. So offset equal 1. It doesn't have to be a big number or anything. I just need to make sure that I can just get rid of all of these, to be honest. They do not make much sense otherwise. Right. So, okay. And this gets also deleted, and this gets, what the fuck? Why is this giving me messages? Oh. Important email. I need to take a look. Oh. Ich muss ganz schnell was machen. Wo ist das? Wo sind diese Bilder? Nein, nicht. Das ist mir egal. Okay. Freigeben. Fertig und freigeben. Betrachte, das sollte jetzt funktionieren. Warte, wieso sind beide Links gleich? Link kopiert. Okay. Und dann teste ich kurz in einem privaten Fenster. Hey! Nee, da. Okay, das funktioniert, aber wieso funktioniert der Link nicht? Jeder, der über den Link verfügt, Betrachter, Link kopieren. Wait, what? Wieso hat das jetzt? Nochmal ein privates ausmachen. Gut. Dann ist der Link hier. Okay. Und das funktioniert so. Sehr gut. Okay. Ach, das war lila. Okay. Wie soll ich Nachrichten? Ne? Ach, was immer. Okay. Weitermachen. Weitermachen. Warte. Okay, ich pfeife noch bei Chico Taco. Das ist das dritte Lied. Okay. Hier, das brauche ich nicht. Ich will nur wissen, was von diesen beiden Songs schneller ist. So. Das kommt noch mit. Und dann for Vertex in Vertices. Vertex X equal warte. Okay, lass mich hier nochmal schauen. Ja, was ich testen will, ist, ob das so zu updaten besser ist oder ob es muss ich für jeden Vertex sozusagen hier macht es Minus und bla bla bla, ändert das selbst, aber okay. Warte, ich muss kurz überlegen, wie mache ich das am besten? Vertex X, Vertex 0, das wäre dann halt Self X und dann 1 Self Y. Ich mache erstmal Vertex 0 plus X und Vertex Y Vertex 1 plus Y. Und dann macht es moved vertices dot append. Jetzt ist LXX und LXY. Muss ich vorher sozusagen noch was machen? Moved vertices equal da. Okay. Ups. Math Efficiency Test. Player is x equal player is y equal 10. Das und dann soll es funktionieren. Was? Da war noch eine alte Zeile. Okay, dann lassen wir das hier ganz kurz mal laufen. Es verbraucht 15% von CPU erstmal. Oh Gott. Was ich auch mal machen kann, ist for set in range 50 approach ne, warte, approach 2 Dash, ne, 1 Dash und approach 2 Dash, okay. Dann, wie weit ist es? Gerade noch ein paar vor sich. Das lässt gerade ordentlich mit. Aber Approach 1 scheint immer anscheinend besser zu sein, als den For-Loop zu benutzen. Ja, es scheint halt einfach. Approach 1 scheint immer besser zu sein irgendwie. Ja. Beim ganz schönen Stück auch. Lass mich kurz ein paar Sachen anschauen. Wenn das hier noch weitermacht, sind wir noch nicht fertig. Naja, 50 mal 3 Sekunden, das sind 4 Sekunden, das sind 200 Sekunden, das sind über 3 Minuten. 3/3 Minute. Ja. Okay. Nummer 1 ist viel schneller. Oder ist es... Ne, hier ist es... Könnte ich das hier als anderes... Könnte ich das hier anders schreiben? Das wäre... Das ist komisch, aber wäre es möglich, das anders zu schreiben? Direkt in die Zeilen reinschreiben? Würde das Sinn machen? Es würde ein... Lass mich mal sehen. Das... List Compression Pre-compute. Die kann man nicht pre-computen. Before the loop to avoid redundant calculations. Oh, before the loop. Oh. Right. So math cosine and yes, that makes so much sense. Cos equal math.cos self.angle and sine equals math.sine self.angle. So just replace these with upsala. Ne, was? Wo bin ich? Warte. Hä? Wo bin ich plötzlich? UI, Aim, Marker, Weapon Free. Here we go. No, let's select this one. Sin. Sine, sinus, whatever. Okay, yeah, that totally makes sense. That's gonna make it quite a bit faster. Create a helper function for the rotation operation to improve readability. The helper function wouldn't be doing that much, right? This updated code uses a list compression to create both and making it more concise. What's a list compression? What the hell is a list compression? What is list compression? Is list comprehension? List comprehension is a concise way to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. It offers a shorter syntax compared to using a for loop with a conditional test inside. For syntax for list comprehension, the syntax for list comprehension follows. interesting. So I have a list of offsets. Okay, this is... No, this makes a lot more sense. Self dot... Let's do polygons. Equal... Right, and I haven't used polygons anywhere else, right? Yeah. Equal... No. This, and then... Basically this, but... Ups, noch das hier vergessen. Ja, nee, das macht Sinn. So kann ich das Teil einfach so bauen, ohne groß drüber nachzudenken. Und dann hier Self-Vertices ist dann, soll ich das mal kopieren? Ist dann self plus dx im self.polygons. List comprehension. Und dann wird das. Ja, ne, die werden nur immer einmal pro Frame gerechnet. Ich muss nur bei For Loops aufpassen, dass Sachen nicht immer mehrmals berechnet werden. Okay. Das sind die beiden Änderungen, die ich habe. List Comprehension und das hier. Für dx und Polygons. Also wird immer Self x und Self y von hier oben dann immer zu dx mit rangehangen. Okay, das ist... Ja, stimmt. Ja. Stimmt, wenn ich klicke, passiert nichts. Das war aus Versehen. Ja, und die Gegner kriegen noch Schaden und alles ist immer noch gut. Okay, dann habe ich das Problem theoretisch auch gelöst. Okay, lass mich nochmal den Rest der Lösung anschauen. Rotated Vertices. Hi, Dang. Why the fuck do you call me daddy? Interesting. So... But yeah, no, I wouldn't need this. I can have that still inside a function. I don't need to make it like a helper function or something. And weapon shoot, this is would be here. Def shoot self. Pause for now. But no, it doesn't matter which direction it's here, right? It just means self.vertices equal. This is gonna be fun. Self.x plus no wait, it would be, or for dx dy in self dot, wait, it would be in self dot vertices, wouldn't it? Yeah, because yes, so and then I need a counter here, which which would have to make something here start counting. Oh, I'm gonna take a short break. I can't. What the fuck? My brain can't think about this right now. This is so complicated. Wait, what the fuck? Why is this keyboard again? Wait. Oh. It changes even when I'm outside of that. The thing is, I shouldn't be pressing. But I can do that. Let me check something real quick. Fucking Adobe Creative Cloud. I don't want that shit. Steam apps, Common, VTube Studio, Deep Studio Data, Streaming Assets, items, keyboard. Okay. How do I... These expressions, there will be no shortcuts in here, yeah. This is just the image. Motions, nah. Let me check. Nah. And this one, nah. It's just some other stuff. I don't know. Holy shit. Nope. There's something there. Okay. Combine parameters. Okay. Would it be inside of here? I don't see settings for keybinds. Left shift left control. There we go. what would be right control. Let's just add right control because I rarely, like, pressing both at once would not happen. Okay, then close this, then this happens right now, then let's open it again and okay. Then I need to quickly change the macro shortcut. Right control, add it to that, save that, close that, and position the keyboard again. There we go. Why am I so far left? Okay. Then we have that fixed. Let's quickly check. Yeah, I did send that email. Let's see. There might be looking at it. Let me get VS Code in front again. Okay. No, shit scared me. I don't know, baby. You're captivating me. And in the end, you let me go. Okay. Right here. Let me look at this again. It would mean separated by comma, yes. Wait, okay, so dy would be updated. No, wait. Self.x/y are being updated frame by frame with larger and then smaller position. But for that I would have to implement a counter so that it flies in a parabola kind of thing. Or well, the movement happens in a parabola. But would only self.y would be affected by it, wouldn't it? Yeah, only dx stays. Oh wait, no, I would still need to write self, but I could write self.x could stay like this, and I just update self.y would be plus a, but not plus a, but something different. Oh god. Because if I make self.x, then it will also increase in width, which I would not want. But now I need to figure out how do I start a counter. Okay, okay, so it doesn't do weapon shoot when I do mouse down. LF yes, if self.weapon free, then self.shoot equal true. Then let's make here self. I call it W3. Shoot equal false. Okay. Let's see. I would then need to implement a counter. And why did I then use if again here? Can I keep using elif? Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I don't know why I stopped using it. Okay. So this is what I'm checking for. So if self dot w3 underscore shoot, then else for weapon in self dot w3 what? And then I didn't even want it on the script. So what? So what do you mean? Weapon dot shoot. No. Did I call it shoot? Yeah, I did call it shoot, and I need to give it an a variable. God, fuck, how do I do this? How do I... let me ask it. In my Python pygame, I have a weapon that performs an action over a certain time frame when I press left mouse button. I need to call a function every frame. Would it be easier to implement it into the move method? That's my question. Would it be? Yeah, it should be, shouldn't it? Right. Shouldn't it? It should be, shouldn't it? Implementing it into the move method. Because then I could set up a timer inside the move method. Self.shoot underscore timer equal 0. And then I could again make it so I would then also so that's a color, that's that. I don't need to have those open right now. I would also call A inside here. Oh no, I wouldn't need to. I could just call I could just call if not game dot weapon free underscore shoot. Else my brain can't keep up with this right now. What I would do would be so this part here, self y, that's normal. And here is then more self y based on the rotation of that stuff where angle is calculated. Where is angle calculated? Here. Which is based on direction, which is based on these, but direction is also... Okay, so I can't make this smaller. It's a weird bass voice like that. I quite like... Don't know if it fully works like that. Or like sounds... Anyway. Sounds a bit weird. Okay, let's do it like this then. Instead of writing down the whole list, I have the polygons saved in the init and add self.x/y to them. Okay. Right, so approach 1 was faster all the time. What happens if I just do that? Nah, I don't. Okay, how would I do it? I do want to test the efficiency of it, kinda, because that's fun. And it's like a problem to solve, but my brain's in a state right now. I don't know if it's a problem I can solve quickly. Let's you just do 3? What would it do if okay. Yeah. What do you mean then? I'm confused by your messages. Z plus 1. The road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Woman, don't you treat me so mean. You're the meanest old woman that I've ever seen. As if you say so. I have to pack my things and go. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. What do you say? Hit the road, Jack. No more in the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Yeah, yeah, in the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. How do I write it here? Just colon.2f after it. Nah. Alright, so I have to, no. Put curly brackets here, colon dot for f, then dot format, and put this in parentheses. Okay, let's see. Now everything should look good. Yeah, nice. Let me make it a little bit wider. I wanted to click the scroll bar. Whatever. So I know that approach 1 is faster. I could try this the polygons method. If I try the polygons method, nah, I even forgot what I wanted to do now. Let's not continue with this file for now. I'm gonna do that later Okay, I need to reset myself. Where was I? Let's check it out. I wanted to do the shooty shoot. For that, I have this and else. So if this is true, then so I have a timer. So self.shoot timer underscore max. Let's say let's do 60 frames. Okay, self.shoot timer plus equal 1 if self.shoot timer over equal self.shoot timer max, then game dot w3 shoot equal false. Yes. And also here I mouse button down and self.w3 underscore shoot. Yeah, this is important, otherwise I could shoot it all the time, which wouldn't make much sense. And I have now set up a timer, which means I can also use the timer to then manipulate self y equal that should timer. So self.shoot timer now needs to be plopped into a formula that's dafür does I need Desmos again. There we have it. It's x equal y equal x squared. For x up to 60, this would be quite bad, I think. Yeah. For x up to 60, this would be really, really bad. Which means I need to flatten it a lot. Which means y equal x squared times... No, so I need to divide. Yeah. So how does 60 look now? 60 is now 63. If I divide it by 100. Ow. Oh. Oh. Ow. Oh. Twisted. Okay, so this can be, this goes again, and adjust this, just move. And if it moves, then the serve should timer to the power of oh wait, no, this is to the power divided by 100. Yes. Okay, let's see how it goes wrong. Okay. The thing is, okay, let's debug. Weapon free. Let's set line break and shoot. And game dot weapon free underscore shoot. Let's see, it's true, not false, not. But it only is. Right. But I can only set it to true once, and after that doesn't do it anymore. Oh, right. So if and serve dot shoot timer equal 0 and this goes here. Let's shoot timer plus 1 and yeah, okay, because this was in this if loop, so it only did it like once. What the hell? Right, okay, I know the curve isn't good right now. So what I need to do is I need to move this whole curve so that, for example, starts at minus 36 and this. No. Plus 60? No, that moves it down. How can I... Ah, okay. So, like this. Just make everything a bit clearer. Okay. Okay, Hmm. Right. Don't I? Do I or don't I? Do I or don't I? I do. Uh. Loading? What's loading? Ach du schöne Scheiße. Okay. What the hell am I doing here? What the fuck? Why does it jump to there? Because the reason it jumps to there is because that is the position which it's supposed to be at, which I set it to. So at 60, which means I need to compress this 50 and minus 30? No. Sorry, minus 0. 42.46 minus 42.426. Yeah, should be fine. Right now it's not at 60 anymore. Wait, why was it then? Why is it so perfect here? Right, because I also need to move it up, right? So if I do this and then this, I also need to move it upwards so that it again okay, let's have it like this. And 60. What is 60? It's 72. Okay. Right now, 30, I need to see what 30 is. That was the important one. 30 is now 18, so... minus 18 and minus 30. Yes. Okay, good. That means it will also come back down, but it also means here I will have to so basically plus this whole thing 50, 30 and 16 quadratic curve that moves the thing along a curve, a graph, whatever. Then let's... oh. Okay, this means it needs to keep the position, which it... Okay, so current problem. It needs to keep its rotation. That means I need to save the direction when it first gets thing. When it gets shot, which means I I need to take these self vertices, or I need to take rotated. Let's take rotated vertices in rotated underscore vertices. Let's do that. Let's see. What the hell? So let's do then self.vertices 1. Where the fuck are you now? Why is this so hard to do? What? Wait, what the hell? Okay, it is on the player with the offset. Even worse. Where is it now? What the hell? I don't understand anymore what's going on. Okay, so... This means I do need to calculate that shit once. Okay, the thing is, this is only calculated once. So all of... Right now, this means if self dot should underscore timer equal 0, then upsala. What do you wanna know? All of this, okay. All of this, that can be taken. It's not necessary, okay. What the hell? Wait, cannot assign... There you go. Okay, and like this. So this is done once at the beginning. And then it should just be self dot vertices. It should be as easy as that. Let's see. Goodbye. It just like zooms. It just like it just zooms to the right, I think. So if I do again 0.1, what happens then? The thing is, it's plus. So, okay, sanity check. Okay, something isn't working. Let's see, self-offset. How much is self-offset? 50. This, so, what needs to be here is just... So all of this only gets done once. Let's see if it really only gets done once. And if it even gets down here, print test. Yeah, and only does it once. Okay, so it gets through all of that. So, something is wrong here with this stuff. Okay, something's wrong here. This is also interesting. But currently not what I want. Okay, what's my brain thinking? So something with this is wrong. Okay, and then let's just have this, but only this part. So the player position gets added always. Why does this not work? Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay, why does this not work? Hä? What have I done now? Huh? What the? What? Like, huh? Huh? What the hell? What is going on? I don't understand. Wait, why did this window just appear? Where? Why did this Explorer window just appear? Huh? Huh? I'm so confused. Okay, so why does this not work? It should call rewind self X with player X every time. Okay, it does. Okay, it does update surf.x and surf.y. But why is it not being like we have all of this running once, and I know it does. Like I know it reaches this point. So why is it not? Like here it works perfectly fine. Or do I have to make this thing differently? Do I have to like a proper for loop for vertex in self.vertices vertex x equal vertex 0 or would it be for polygons then in polygons vertex x plus self.x and vertex y equal vertex 1 plus self.y. Okay, and then before this moved underscore vertices list and moved underscore vertices dot append vertex underscore x comma vertex underscore y. Why is this happening? Why is this happening? Why is it not moving at all? Surf vertices. Wait. Wait. Why was it that way around? Okay, it puts it there. Now I just need to... Okay, so... I think I'm close, actually. I think I'm close to having something here. Oh... I am close to having something here. That something is that this is right, so that stuff is being yeah. So I think it would mean that I have it like this. Angle and angle K, angle M get calculated once. They need to be calculated once. And then I... And this, because this updates the position. This updates the position. I can't concentrate well right now. Oh hey, how's your sanity today? Not great. Hi Ann, how are you doing today? Okay, the position is still correct, but the rotation gets reset. I cannot have the rotation reset. But it always uses this same right, because it goes over the positions here, then it rotates, but for some reason it doesn't completely rotate. Or is it because I'm also doing this here? This can go again. Okay, let's see. I'm nearly there. I am so close. I just need to figure out this. Right, this cannot be here. This cannot be here. Because otherwise it always gets initialized with 0 shoot time. Which would just put it at like one position. I currently have a glorious mess here going on. Like, God, this is not great. Like, what I'm implementing right now is that I nearly got it. It's just the wrong direction. I just have it in the wrong direction. For some reason it's going to the side. But no. If I do this... No, it goes to... It goes to the top left, which means it goes towards 0. Like, does that mean I... Does that mean I... Wait, where am I? Here. Does it mean I... Oops, Anyway, I think I'm close. Because, yes, I have to change the offset. So... This, and... Oh. This, okay. That's the interview made. Don't know, I felt like it didn't go so well. Because I talked about a lot of things, like a lot about other stuff that I... Like they asked me what else I do, and I talked a lot about 3D and more like programming in games instead of like graphics design. I think I didn't do too well, but... Accidentally switched. They did want more of the stuff that I had done beforehand, so like what other things I would want to show them, like examples of my work. Okay, great. So now I just need to change this curve again. Let's see, 60, 100, and let's go back to 32. Okay, so I'm not giving it enough time. This means I need to compress the curve on the x-axis. Okay, so if I do a 60, 100, and 36. Right. Okay, it needs to be 36. Before it was an 18, it seems like. Okay, okay, what I need to do is I need to compress the curve, so I need to keep it at divided by 50, but then I can't have x that far. So what's the 0 position here? It's 12 for, right. No, but that then also doesn't work very well. Well, it depends. It might give you a plus for someone, but some just don't give a damn. That's normal. Yeah. No, so if I go back to 30, 50 and 18, I still have, oops, I still have this curve, yes. So what I need to do, I just need to increase the value. Which means times 2, let's do that. I would also want it quicker, to be honest. Why am I switching programs to all? Wait, I closed it accidentally. Pressing the wrong button. I would want it closer, so it would need to be over a different amount of frames. So let's go minus 30 again, minus 18. Which means I would need to compress it more, which means 20. That's, yeah, right, also not 9. So minus 9 it would be, and then minus 15. And then it would just have to, okay, 15, 25, 9. So 15, 25, 9. But then also over like 6. Yep. Oops. Not my intention. Right, 30. Okay, let's do it times 10. A bit quick. And it doesn't go very wide, so if it's a times 20. Bleak? What? Is it a typo? I hope that's a typo. Hey, okay, could certainly work on the speed. Still doesn't feel nice currently. Less distance and longer. I hope so too. 15. I would want to increase it by like 45, but then it goes through again. So now I have to check again. Minus 9 and this and minus 2.25 is the value I would need. How can I? Right, how can I check the value of that? So let's do this. Minus 15, minus 9. There, for example, I have a value of 0, 0, so that would be minus 15 and 9. Minus 2 to 5 and... my brain. Okay, now so first one 0, 0, then the next one would be x22.5, and let's say currently this one, the minus 9, I have to multiply it by 15 to get a satisfactory result. So 9, 15 is 135. So mine 135. You should go relaxing. Currently I'm actually on a train again, like I think I can manage again. 45 and back to 0. Adventures and lands of Belgium and Ireland with war in his blood. Okay, how can I now get this to how do I get a curve from these 3 points? X1 is 0, y1 is 0, x2 is 22.5, and y2 is 135, and x3 is 45, and y3 is 0. Wait, no, what the fuck? I don't know anything. Oh, I thing is, like, every time I write something, I think I press, like, instinctively Control S, but doing that on a website doesn't work, or, like, it will just load the website. To find a curve, a quadratic function that passes through 3 points, you can use the general form of quadratic equation. In that case, you have the following points. You can plug these points into the equation to form a system of linear equation. I can. I haven't done this in years. Solve the system of linear equation to find the values of a, b, and c. You can use a method like a substitution, elimination, or matrix operation. In this case, the first equations with and what? It's still going. Right. Import map. Okay, how do I install map? Do I have NumPy even installed? Import num. Okay, NumPy is installed apparently. Right, other tests, there, graphing calculator. I wanna see what the fuck this does. What's this song called? Oh, gimme, gimme. By those two. Shit, that look good. Okay, other tests. Python, I think I can, let's see. What the fuck? Wait, no, that's not a curve passing through the points. What? What? That's not. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. Window capture. Later. Yes. Look at this. The curve isn't passing through these. The curve is not passing through these. What the fuck? Huh? Did it completely fuck up the math? How to get curve from points. Okay, curvature from points. Oh, what the fuck? Why is Google not in dark mode? What the fuck? Ugh. Can just give me the online tool. Curvature calculator. What? I just want an online. Okay, how to calculate, I just want a graph. Graph from points. Function equation finder from points table. That's what I want. 0, 0, x is 22.5 and 135. And this is 45 and 0. Parabola? Exponential. What the? Huh? What? There we go. Okay, so let's see. What the hell? Okay. 12x, y equal 12x minus 0.267 x squared. Okay. I can keep this open. I'm just gonna close this. So like the thing it gave me was completely wrong. Oh, not completely, but quite wrong. So it's 12x instead of 6x. So that's no, not this. Let's run this again. Hey, there we go. Much better. Yes, it's much better. Oh. I'm making it bigger on this side here. Make it smaller. There. Yeah, interesting. Good. Interesting. But yes, this is what I wanted. I'm gonna take a short break. I will be right back. I'm back. Oh, just ate some toast and made some tea. What tea is still brewing or whatever you call it. Okay. What? Folge on hiatus. Okay, only due to health reasons, not to bad things. Okay. Oh. Like, recently, anything that, like, mentions notice, hiatus, or, like, indefinite hiatus, or, like, important announcement. Like, I'm just thinking about, like, fuck, what happened now? Because there's so much shit going on recently with YouTubers, like, so many graduating and everything just going on. It's crazy, or like leaving companies and stuff. Like leaving companies isn't so bad, it's just, hey, you don't like the contract anymore, but like a lot of contract terminations because breach of contract shit. Left today. I know things should ever change. I guess it's that's when your energy is nowhere to be, nowhere to be done. You see the light, or does it feel like abyss? How it's bottomless, I'm trying to figure out a still. How do I present 267 continuous endless as a fraction? I'm gonna show it as a fraction because it's easier. Oh, fuck it. Yeah, anyway, I don't care. Okay, so let's change this. Desmos. 12 times self dot shoot timer minus 0.26667 to the power of times self dot shoot timer to the power of 2. Wait, no, that was install command. Game.py. Yep, right. Change it to a plus. But yeah, good. Okay. Print. This message can be ignored. Game over. Gauge manually collected. Yeah, it's fine. There. This can also go, and yeah. Oh, okay. After that, I would say the weapon is finished. Is it? Oh, right now. But we're not alone. What the fuck are negative views again? Why do I sometimes have negative views or viewership? Like, holy shit. This is so weird. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your... Oh, one moment. Okay, I'm back. That he finished. Careful. I filled the cup a little bit too much. Hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands. Look at you no mirai. Let me look at some things real quick. Okay. So do I have to think a little bit about that. Yeah. The thing is, if I look here, this holy shit. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Okay. This tea is gonna be hot. Very hot. It tastes nice. Wait, let's put it. No, let's yeah, let's put it here. Okay. Then to-do list. Oh. Done. I do kinda wanna work on this right now. Let's save as number 7. That one. No. CD, I want to be in Python, and CD. Wait, what? I don't have. Right, I don't have it in Python. CD YouTube chat. Okay. So it's not. Yes. Okay. It's still different. Python. I want to check if a string contains a certain word. How can I do that? Okay. So if in message, that's a string, and if that is in string, then okay. It's hot. Okay. This has also mostly worked, I think. But there haven't been many instances where it's actually been called. Right, that it's never also just printed a number. Anyway, what I want to do is, if rate in MSG equals 0, rate plus equal 1. If a rate equal over 5, then Oh. And I need to slurp it, otherwise it's... Okay, print, there is right happening. And set rate equal like to 0. And I hope to living. Shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. There's a time I always had rhythms. I said high hopes. I said high hopes for a living. Should not be that one in a million. Always said high hopes. No said. Let's see. Every day and everything, and everything. Okay. So let's test it. Python YouTube 7. Oh right, now what I can do is I can go here. Yeah, I can just do this, which is kind of funny. This is test rate. Okay, let's see. Oh, I called it rain. That's what you get when. Okay, it does work. Oh, whatever. Right. Yes. Okay. Hopes were living, vision for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. In the time when I always had a vision, always had high hopes. Yeah, and I want this after here. I want it after the message gets printed. Okay, then I need to process IDs at, okay. RAID IDs set. Well, I need to set these inside a file. Okay, how do I do this again? I have in Python I have a set of IDs that I want to write to a file. That I want to read from a file and write to a file when a new one is What does it do? Edit. Is added to the set. How can I do that? Which is what's up? Okay. Okay, it's now not as hot anymore, so I can just drink it without slurping it. I need a new... okay, let me... reveal an Explorer. Wait, no. Programming. YouTube chat. Right, I wanted to also... commands. I mean, what is this? Huh? Some random stuff not needed. Okay. So let's make a... no, not a folder. I need a new file called rate_ids.txt. I can just... no, not right now. But I can make a new to-do list also. Next document, YouTube chat to-do list. Let's open both of these here. What did I want to write? What was it? As with rate _IDs, add comments also to a file so that when reloading it shows the original timestamps. Okay, right, impression. Here's what I need to change. Okay. Just make sure that it doesn't just fill up the files endlessly. If the script sees that the file is from a day ago, it makes a new file. Don't have to delete the old files. Okay. Then I'll be back in a moment. I did not die. Oh. Oh. I am very well alive. Check Discord real quick, someone around me. Oh no, it's just that. Yuan, he's alive. Yes, I am alive. Hello, Yuyan? Yuan or Yuyan? How's it pronounced? I'm thinking Yuyan. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. No worries. I'm currently working on the chatbot. I finished what I wanted to do on my game today, and then I had some motivation to work on the chatbot. Currently, like, I saw that you subscribed like a few days ago. I saw like the message, hey, Yuyan subscribed. Thank you. Oh. Yuyan, okay, great. Just randomly talking about because I saw a stream on my feed somewhere. Okay. Who knows? Thanks for dropping by. Using ChatGPT? I'm not using ChatGPT anymore. What I'm using now is called Find. I can show it to you in a moment. This one here. This one. It is like ChatGPT. It uses ChatGPT, for example, here, this expert mode uses ChatGPT 4. I understand the moment, but hi. Welcome back on. I hope you enjoy yourself. Find uses ChatGPT to write its answers, but as you can see here, it can actually source the internet, which is really good, and it's also it is tailor-made for developers, so it should hallucinate code, some things in codeless. There's still some troubles that it has. Usually, if you activate expert mode, those go away. But yeah, most of the time it works pretty well. It kind of works like a ChatGPT, though there are some differences. For example, it is meant to be a search engine and not a chatbot, which is like, oops. Which sometimes there are some quirks that it has. It's Phind, yes, phind.com. It's like find with F, but just PH put in front of it. So it's like, it's quite a nice tool, and the Discord, they also have like a Discord where they, yeah, find.com. It's like find, just like written differently. It is quite nice. Yeah, it's basically helped me make a lot of this game, like a lot of lines of code. Wait, no, I need another one for that. CD bullet hell. Hi. I hadn't coded in a while, and the last thing I used was R. Rust or R? Is R Rust or is it something different? Good to keep in mind if I wanna get into it. Yeah, it's like kinda like it helped me make this game. Wait, what the? Oh, I just noticed a bug. I'm for hit detection for that one weapon when it's not even on. For weapon and weapon free, yeah, this has to be. like this. Are programming menus to data analytics? Okay. I'm currently just familiar with Python and dlang, if you know that one. Someone showed me dlang like last week because I wanted to go away from Python and into something more advanced. But C and C++ were just giving me trouble. I couldn't get like certain libraries to work. Anyway, sounds cool. I look forward to seeing the game eventually. I'm gonna end off, but will be fun. Nice. Fun to drop by and chat next time. Thank you. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for the look. Goodbye. Okay, I'm looking at something. Wait. Huh. Okay, then let's continue. But I learned was Java, C, C Sharp, etc. Long time ago. Okay. Yeah, like if you know it once, then you could probably like start using it again, or not, depending on what you wanna do. And see you. Thanks for coming by. I just noticed something. Shit. Wait, I can't find it through Discord. I should be able to find it. Here and here. Then this link, and I need to edit the description. Live to the keyboard. There. Okay. Oh. I should credit the artist for that. Not forget it. Mika is streaming. I've been streaming for 3 hours now. What do I want to do? Right, I wanted to have the raid ID, so every message that has a raid ID. Okay. So that doesn't, then you should hear, whatever that is, I cannot, I was able to read katakana and hiragana once. Wait, Gyari? Wait, that Gyari? That's Gyari? Wait, what? That? The Project Worms guy? Okay. Okay, yeah, this is good. I didn't know Gyari makes music. Interesting. Okay, what can Alright, it's just next. I don't know. Missed name. And missed name. Okay. Okay, no, I cannot concentrate with this music right now. It sounds fun, but I cannot concentrate. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I close that. Oh, okay. I have so much stuff open right now. Okay. So IDs will be rate IDs. And then after driver quit, I will have to do this, and then if rate rate IDs dot add message ID. Yeah, it only needs to add them at the end if the program closes or crashes in some way. Okay, then okay, then close it. Wait, will it work if I do keyboard interrupts? Wait, it's not IDs, it is rate underscore IDs. Okay, and if I do a keyboard interrupt, it does not do it. So I have to put this here. Okay. Do you mean ID? Rate IDs and rate IDs. Okay. Yes, and these are, as far as I can see, yep, they are different. Good. if right ID and how's it written here and not in if message if right and message ID not in right IDs. Okay. So if I save this, close this now, start it again. Yes, it doesn't do that anymore. Okay. And I wanted to. Sometimes there is no red IDs.txt. I want the script to check if there is a txt, and if not, it creates it. Nice fuck. I'm using Opera GX, so, and I have some keyboard sounds there. Like, I had an OSU skin where I had some really good keyboard sounds, and then I found out, oh, I can have keyboard sounds in Opera GX. So I then like made my own extension for Opera GX to include them. Okay. Right. IDs.txt. Nice. And print created rate IDs.txt. So indeed the same now for this one too, but instead blocked words, blocked underscore words created. Right, I can just blocked underscore words txt. Ah, you also have a virtual keyboard there. Is it hard setting one up? The one on the screen. This one here, it's a VTube Studio asset. If you look in the description there, that's linked. It should be linked. Let me check. Did it update the description yet? Let's see. I should have added it into the description. Let's see. Is it there? Yes, it's there. A live 2D keyboard, and then there's a link to the booth. To the booth website. It's like 300 yen, which was like 270 for me or something. So it's quite cheap. And it's also quite nice, and there are some you can like customize the color, for example. God no, yeah. You can, for example, customize color and stuff. I haven't figured it fully out yet. I need to like look into that more. But yeah, it's good, nice. Wait, what is the new line character? What's the new line character for printing to the console? Oh, so they sell those separately? What do they sell separately? Okay, no, there's no new line character. Okay. Ah, there is, okay. Now I can just backslash and consider adding words you want to block to the file. Separate them by a comma. Okay. Print created commands.txt. Consider adding commands to the list, to the file. Currently I have... I need to work on that again. I need to still work on the commands because yeah. But yeah, then this I don't know, it's commands start with write one word, one blocked term per line. Sort of the output is after semicolon. Okay, so commands. So if I would I can just leave that command, let's just rename that. Android IDs also delete again. And let's run it again. Oh. Import OS. I thought I'd done it already. Created that, created that. Consider adding words you want to block to the file, write one block term per line. Created commands.txt, consider adding commands to the file. Okay, good. I think I'm gonna stop for the day. Yeah. Oh. It's been over 3 hours. Oh no, come on, did I accidentally put that? It's annoying. Let me do it like this. Because I accidentally pinned this, is it parallel? I can't tell. Because I accidentally pinned it to the character. Okay, no, it's not quite. Fucking hell, this again. Okay, good. It's good like that. Yeah, a bit big, but I don't mind. What do you mean with big? The keyboard? Anyway, while assuming the resolution is not 4:3. The resolution is ratio, yeah. Or ratio, yeah. Screen ratio is what's it? Well, my screen resolution. Just Google LG dual up. And then you'll see. It's basically that screen, but rotated by 90 degrees. So I have, yeah. So it's an 18:16 resolution or ratio. 18:16, so 9:8 ratio. It's quite nice actually, in my opinion. Looks quite well for me. I don't like, I like more vertical space than like horizontal space. Horizontal space is still good for like having two things like next to each other. But this is enough horizontal space for me, I would say. I like the vertical space more. So that's why I have it like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for now. I'm tired and I wanna watch another stream. Okay, see you all around. Yeah, I'm just gonna stream tomorrow again at the usual time. I'm gonna try to start streaming like earlier tomorrow, because now it's already 13. I'm gonna start streaming earlier tomorrow. Okay. Looks nice. How's the color and everything? Color accuracy, very good. 60 Hertz refresh rate, still fine. It's a matte finish, so yeah. Overall, quite good, I would say. The like rotating it is sometimes a bit annoying, but yeah. What the? Okay, dang. First you say this, now you say this. I'm thinking about getting one of the two, but 28 is a bit small. At first, so it's like two 28-inch monitors on top of each other. You need to think about that. At first I also thought it's too small, but at the moment I would say it's a good size. It might be, it could be a little bit bigger, but like this it's fine. If you want to talk more about the monitor, you can also just come in the Discord and we can talk a bit about it there. I want to go now. I want to watch Mika stream. Okay, what the fuck, the bitrate?